Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to render projects in Revit step by step. Rendering transforms your three-dimensional building model into a realistic image with materials, lighting, and shadows, making it perfect for presentations and client reviews. So let's get started. First, open your Revit project and switch to the three-dimensional view you want to render. Before starting, make sure your model includes materials, lighting, and any landscaping or furniture you want to appear in the final image. Next, adjust the camera angle to frame your building the way you want. Yeah, you can use the view cube and navigation tools to position the view, then save that view if you plan to render it again later. Now, go to the View tab and click Render. The Render dialog will open, allowing you to choose options such as quality, lighting scheme, background, exposure, and the output resolution. Higher quality settings produce more detailed images, but also require more rendering time and system resources. After selecting your preferred settings, click Render and wait for the process to complete. Depending on your project's complexity and your computer's performance, this may take anywhere from a few minutes to much longer. When the render is finished, review the result and make any necessary adjustments to materials, lighting, or camera position. If you're satisfied with the final image, save or export it in your preferred format for presentations, reports, or client meetings, and that's it. You now know how to render projects in Revit and create realistic visualizations of your building designs. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Hey everyone, welcome.